What's going on, guys? It's been a while, man. Welcome back to the channel. This is Tucker from the top of the world, Anchorage, Alaska. So recently, Trudave reached out to me asking me if I was interested in doing a collaboration. I said hell yeah, cause I was like in the market for a new wader too. So they sent me this, man. Super excited, super stoked. Salmon season is upon us. I'm gonna be using this for salmon season and dip netting. Throughout the years, I've gone through several waders due to the condition of the fishing we do here in Alaska. It is crazy. It is rainy, it is windy, it is muddy, it is rocky, salt water, fresh water, you name it, man. I've gone through like 3-4 different waders, price range from $100 to $300. If you are in the market for a budget friendly wader, check out Trudave, guys. It is on sale right now for $59.99. I do have a discount code for you guys. It is CKAK15. It will save you guys 15%. This will help my YouTube channel, so in the future I could keep going on my fun adventure for you guys. Alright guys, let's get going, man, with the unboxing video. So I threw away the brown Amazon box that everybody always do when they do an unboxing video, and we are straight to the box. It does come in a decently sized box, but it is smaller than usual normal boxes that I've seen. And inside the box, there is a plastic bag, and then inside the plastic bag, it is your wader. The one that you see right here outside is actually a mesh bag that they provide for you, and it comes with a waterproof cell phone pouch too, man. Super excited. It does look kind of more on the cheaper side of waterproof holders. I've had like some decent ones, and yeah, I love them. Make sure you have them, man. Like, I've seen people who dropped their phone like several times and had to get their phone replaced. But yeah, looks really cool. Looks really nice having a bag in a bag. So I don't know if I'll be using this again to put my weight away because it's gonna be muddy and dirty. But man, the quality build so far looks really great. Look at that. Like, there's a foam padding where you could put your fly lures or hook or whatever you need in it. I've never had a wader that had that option. It was usually a little case where you would put in your pocket. Super excited, super stoked. Can't wait to use this, man. There is a front pocket. Hopefully this front pocket is waterproof. From reading some of the literature, it does say waterproof for the wader. So yeah, man, I've been having a lot of issues throwing stuff in there and then it gets wet, man. Hopefully this is waterproof. I haven't tried it out in a while yet, so can't tell you yet. It does come with a stretchable strap. Man, I'm telling you right now, a lot of the ones that I've used in the past, these straps are really cheaply made, and it will feel like at the end of the day your like shoulders are hurting or sore. But these look really good, and it does feel really good. Hopefully it doesn't give me that shoulder sore. There is a little literature right here by the strap just telling you 1-year warranty, what to expect, waterproof, durable, made in China. What is made in China in the world we live in today, man? Everything's been sourced out of country. Yeah, man, super nice two-tone color. There is a midsection strap also where you could add accessories such as a knife, a bunker, a rod holster, whatever, man. Super excited. I can't wait to try it on, man. So far I'm loving this wader, man. I thought that you had to pay like hundreds of dollars in a wader, and the unboxing experience so far, man, it's great, man. I've never had a great unboxing like this. We're gonna get down to the stocking. I love the stocking size, man. This is a XL, and the stocking is not hella long and big like some of the ones I bought in the past where they had to cater to, I guess, XL with the big foot, man. Can't wait, can't wait. Just kind of like looking through it, there's actually a inside pouch with the zipper in it. This is awesome. This is where you could put your phone, you could put your keys, you could put whatever you need away so that just in case it doesn't drop. And yes, I've dropped stuff in the past. Let's put it on and I'll let you guys know how it feels, okay? Here we go again, going through the wader. I found a repair kit. Never got a wader that had a repair kit before. Man, this unboxing experience alone has been really, really great, guys. Honestly, for the price point, if you guys are interested in getting one right now, it's on sale for $59.99 plus my discount code. Man, this is a great product, guys. So far, I feel like this is gonna be my go-to brand and my go-to waiter for the next couple years. Even if it rips and tore, like after a full harsh season, I will be going back to Trudave, just the unboxing experience alone and the feel of all the quality from the material has made my mind that I'll be using Trudave, man, for future on.